If you turn your faucet all the way to hot and the water still isn't hot enough, this fix might solve your problem. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to adjust your faucet so you can get hotter water safely and correctly. Step 1. Remove the handle. Start by turning the water off if needed. Locate the handle screws underneath the faucet handle and remove them. Once the screws are out, pull the handle straight off. Step 2. Remove the handle adapter. Behind the handle, you'll see a black plastic piece. This is called the handle adapter. Carefully remove this piece and set it aside. Step 3. Identify the rotational limiter, important step. Now take a close look at the next part. This is very important. This white plastic piece is called a rotational limiter. The rotational limiter controls how far the handle can turn, which limits how much hot water mixes in. If the white tab is set around the 2 or 3 o'clock position, it's restricting hot water. Step 4. Adjust the rotational limiter. To allow more hot water, simply rotate the white tab to the 12 o'clock position. This lets the handle turn farther toward hot. At this point, you can temporarily reinstall the handle and test the water. If the water is now hot enough, you're done. Step 5. Remove the plate if more adjustment is needed. If the water still isn't hot enough, we'll go one step further. Remove the decorative plate to expose the internal plumbing. Behind it, you'll see the mixing valve. Step 6. Turn the water on for testing. Using the black handle adapter, carefully turn the water on. This allows you to feel the temperature change while making adjustments. Hot water enters from the left side of the valve. Step 7. Adjust the mixing valve. Take a flathead screwdriver and gently rotate the valve counterclockwise. Just a few degrees at a time. Go slow. Small adjustments make a big difference. After a slight turn, check the water temperature. Step 8. Confirm the fix. In my case, just a small adjustment was enough. The water temperature increased immediately, and yes, it got hot fast. Once you're satisfied with the temperature, turn the water off. Step 9. Reassemble everything. Now, simply reassemble all the parts in reverse order. Reinstall the plate. Put the handle adapter back on. Reattach the handle. Tighten the screws. That's it. Your faucet should now deliver hotter water without replacing any parts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helped. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other DIY plumbing videos.